This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS192 VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 23 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, stovetop burner, LP detector, water heater, skylight, external shower, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS192 VRB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.